What is up, guys? Just to tell you, I do not own Pokemon. I am just showing you informative information and my reaction, okay? Let's get on with the trailer! Alright, exciting new additions to the party, yeah! What the hell? What the hell is that? It's like a Hoover. It's a Hoover bug thing. What the hell's that? It's a Hoover bug. Bounce weed. And okay, that is going onto my team. That is going onto my team. Bounce weed. What's this? Cool. Actually, no, this is going on my team. I want that. I literally want that. That is very cool. That looks very cool. Whoa. Mudsdale. Own tempo and stamina. Mudsdale. What the hell is that? I have no idea. So stamina boosts its defense and it gets hit by a physical attack or something? I don't know. Mimikyu. This guy. Ooh, we've got like Shadow Claw or something like that scratch. This guy's, it's just desired to self-save as a decoy. Mimikyu disguise was busted. Beware. Oh! No! Beware. No, joke. Oh, that's so cool. Oh, I'm thinking of. Ooh, so it's like a better version of Super Training. Well, I guess we should go to how I thought about that. That was like, I never even saw that trailer, and when was it posted? Like 2 days ago or something? Oh my god, I guess I was just, because I haven't been uploading any videos because it's summer now, and like, I kind of want to do some stuff because I've got like acting classes in the summer, and yeah, and so I'm probably not going to be uploading as many videos in the summer, so maybe like a video every other day, maybe, depends. But yeah, those Pokemon looks stupid. I mean, the bug water one, what was it called, Wimpod, it looks like a hairbrush thing. No, I mean not a hairbrush. No, it looks like a Hoover. It basically looks like a Hoover, but like without the tube. Anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed my reactions. See you guys later. Goodbye.